I tried to get up early this morning so I could catch the sunrise, and then I slept in a little, and I was in such a rush to get to the beach before the sun rose that I messed up my coffee 3 times. The first time I forgot to remove the hot water from my thermos before I put the coffee in, so it was watered down. The second time I forgot to put coffee grounds in the coffee maker, but the third time I did it. And although I'm late, I didn't really miss much because it's cloudy, so it's a beautiful morning. I have my coffee, I have the beach pretty much all to myself. It's amazing. Just walking up and down the beach, staring at seashells and enjoying the day, and then I saw these seagulls catch a fish and start eating it alive. It's not alive anymore, but it's like the most savage thing I've seen in a while, but also oddly fascinating. So crazy. I was checking out Google Maps before I came here, and I saw that there's a Rockaway brewery, and I thought I had to check it out because it's not far from my Airbnb. So I came to Rockaway Brewery and I got a Rockaway IPA. It looks so delicious. Looks like orange juice. The bartender filled it all the way to the tippy top, and then I came outside and I was spilling everywhere, but I appreciate her generosity. I came sort of right when they open. It's like, I don't know what time it is now, but they open at 12 and I came, it's like 12:30, hoping there wouldn't be that many people, and luckily I'm the only one outside and there's only one other group inside, and they have the doors open, so it's pretty airy inside, but better safe than sorry. So it's pretty nice. They have some nice reggae music going. It's a chill vibe, and I'm digging it. One of the things that's really great about the Rockaways is it has this really great concrete boardwalk that stretches for miles, and it has different lanes for pedestrians and bikes so that you probably won't run into a pedestrian if you're on your bike. Of course, people don't always stay in their lanes, so you might still, but at least it has safety measures in place. And since it's so big, you can social distance a little easier, and there's benches and trash cans and a guardrail where you can lock your bike along the way, so you can just enjoy the beach for miles, which I am going to do. tradition now that I don't come all the way to the water without at least trying to get in, no matter how cold it is. Right now it's not too cold, the air. It's like 55, 56 degrees, which is warmer than the last time I went into the ocean. I had a beer not too long ago, which will make me feel warmer than I am, which may be dangerous, but I have my bathing suit on, so I'm at least gonna try and get in the water. I'm not gonna promise I'm gonna stay in very long, but I'm gonna at least try. It's cold, but I think the beer is keeping me warm because I don't feel that cold, but I could definitely feel the chill when I stepped in. I just changed out of my wet bathing suit and I feel so cozy now because I have my warm clothes on. After being in that cold water, it was really worth it. So it's pretty cloudy. I was gonna try and get some sunset dinner at this place called Bungalow around here, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to see the sunset, but I am enjoying the beach. The waves are really turbulent right now and there's tons of surfers. It's amazing. Despite my better judgment and the clouds, I'm having a sunset dinner at a restaurant my Airbnb host recommended, Bungalow. They have some seafood options and I got the sea scallops bacon risotto, which sounds really good. And since sunset is at 4:30, there's not too many people here and I got the most corner table, so I have a lot of social distance so far. If things get crazy, I can just like gobble my food and run. It's starting to fill up a little bit, so I'm up against the clock, but this scallop risotto looks amazing. That's better. That's the best scallop I've had all year. So I gobbled up my delicious scallops and risotto really quick because a big group of big guys with no masks on sat at the table closest to me, and they were very loud, which means they're aerosolizing more than anyone else, and so I sort of turned my back to them, gobbled my food, and then paid as fast as possible. Luckily they had a card reader, so I could pay as fast as I could, and I'm still catching the sunset. I thought I'd be done, it'd be dark, but no, I ate so fast. Well, I hope you've enjoyed my Rockaway getaway. I plan to do more socially distant travels in the future, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe and the bell to be notified when new videos are available. Until next time, bye!